General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
Yeah. I had a butter croissant. Saturday. Excuse me. In my throat. I do these Power 3 charts. We had that feeling Monday was going to be low of the week. Took this daily low here. Is that a strong magnet or something? That's a weak magnet. Daily low here. Daily low here. Monday absorbed that. We can form fit RTO logic. Blue. Text. Here. Took out lows. So Monday. Come on. Boom. Monday took out the lows. Created low of the week here. And we proceeded to, well, Tuesday was good. Completely one directional. It's not even on news for Tuesday, just, after Tuesday, this is the dread. Let's put a box here. What about this stands out? Here we go. Nice chopped on news days. And then another big takeaway is it's week one. So week one is NFP week. Even though we didn't have NFP on Friday, the algorithm, watch this, still chopped Wednesday and Thursday, just as if NFP came on schedule. Hold on, wait. My coffee's just too hot for me to get the croissant. I already finished the croissant. I demolished it. I represent. It'd be my home here. Making me uncomfortable. Alright, so boom, boom, boom. The interesting trade that ICT took, what was it? I think it was this one. Or was it New Day opening gap? Here. Something like this. From here to here. Is that a to the tick? This is ICT's trade that he showed. Long here. He was targeting past somewhere up here. Probably it was something over here. Move this. I don't think it was that high. It was something up here. I can't lie on ICT. He caught the coldest trade though. It was a new day opening gap tap. It's a good journal entry in itself, just based on price doing NFP things without NFP. Oh, that was the fifth. See here. This is just a choppy week. Let's flip this since it is the quadrants. That's the low. Monday, Tuesday was an inside day. Wednesday, we took out Monday. We never ever took out Monday low. We came for Tuesday low, But even just seeing this, is seek and destroy. So I'm pretty sure this is stay out filter. We didn't hit a higher time frame liquidity pool by Wednesday. Let's go to the stay out filter notes. Do not trade filters. Monday through Thursday. No weekly PD array tag by Wednesday. Higher time frame imbalance unresolved. No news response. Yeah. Let's just screenshot this. I just add that here and make it bigger. Oh snap. Voted. Don't try the Notion screenshot. Everybody gonna have Notion screenshots tomorrow now. Oh, this look official. This actually looks, man. Practice makes perfect, huh? Alright, so go back to that. Go back to this. You know, would it be even tighter if you can, like, if I can save that to TradingView and be able to pop it up like, oh, these are my weekly. Oh no, I can't make an indicator for that. Just the PO3 charts. 3. Do this. All right. We all spaced out. This is all I need for here. Because this tells you right here, we ain't doing anything. For this one, I think it's, I did it backwards again. From here to here. We actually had expansion on this one. Okay. We didn't get Monday's low though. So left untapped. Really no sign like saying go here. In previous week's high, you can say Monday ran it, Tuesday retested it, and then just kind of pushed through. But to me, that's not no. Oh, I see this trade type vibe being active here. You could have caught that. I'm pretty sure that was telling you to buy, but it don't fit my one shot, one kill trader identity for this ticker. I do like this. Where's the fib? OTE. Something like that. Put a run on this low maybe. As far as a trade of the week, it'll have to be after we take this high. We did this RTO here, and I watched. No, here's the RTO here. I was calling that. It just was tacky. Like I called it, then it's like in the news, it didn't do anything. But maybe it's just week one things. Let's make this. Let's make this red or something. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I'll stay the template. Here. Short. And Osaka. Yeah, it went ahead. Mm-hmm. Let's get this one. And this one. This one's the tackiest. I bet GU's still delivering. Like it's supposed to. I did the chart work part. Let's see which models hit, which models missed. So I say 2020. Notice price acted like it was NFP and chopped Wednesday, Thursday. Okay. Keep in mind, weekly cycle is showing true even without the news drivers. Also know time of year, identity, progress, discipline, patience, and confidence. Um, Discipline, gotta work on staying out the chop. Got chopped on Wednesday. Had to get back some on Thursday. For patience is waiting for not really like the raid, because that usually shows up, but waiting for the confirmation after a loss that I am correct and not just looking at, oh, I got this much to risk. Boom. Case log, one win, one loss. think I already did that. I think I did Wednesday to Thursday. Experience earned this week. Skill sharpen lesson locked. Week one cycle. Showing true. Even without NFP. Hold up. Next week improvement focus. 20 shorter targets. Aware of time of year and range of higher time frame market. We have been in this stupid, well, it's not really a stupid range. It's just been in range. Kind of need like a catalyst to push us up or down, which I don't even think. I think we just go up a little bit, then come down, and kind of just bounce. I don't think we do anything super significant. Takeaway here. Monday low of the week. ICT's new day opening gap trade. And Wednesday, Thursday chop for NFP. The notes for this is all criteria. Criteria was meant to stay out. That's it. It's meant to stay out. Period. Notes for EU. It's not moving. There we go. Notes and thoughts for the week. It's a pretty good week overall. I think shot knock out the regular charts as well. See how far I get. And bam. I do my charts pretty fast. They're not moving, so I might as well knock them out. Alright, we're on that monthly. Let's get my monthly. We're gonna go 3 points. Currents from below. Yeah. Where we at over here? Yeah, previous month's high. There's another high here. That's all we really got. We already above previous month's high over here. This month's open price, okay, it's not that interesting. There's a wick there. We don't need this. I would look at this open price. Here. Lock this. Lock this. Previous month's high, and then this a old monthly high. OMH. I made up some of these. Don't nobody use old monthly high. I be wanting to see it though. Like nobody got no term for this. It's previous month's high. This is monthly low. So this is weekly. Definitely need previous weeks levels for sure. hmm Hold up. All right, let's see. For the week. hmm Yeah, I think I do need to make an indicator that do this. But would that be too lazy? hmm It's previous week's high now. And this is previous week's low. Let's make sure you are current interval below. And make sure you lock to. I'm just bullish on silver, but I would like to buy under previous week's low. All right, we get to the good stuff now, the daily chart. Kind of respecting this. Mm, this is interesting because this is like it's kind of almost like a immediate retest. Yeah, that's really the last couple of imbalances. We use this one and we use this one. We don't have really no fresh ones. This is kind of low resistance liquidity run. If we break this, there's nothing stopping us to get to here because it's just from here down. Make this yellow. That's all I need for the daily. That's all we got. We got this trap order flow in between this one and that one. chopping here. All we have here is this gap that's never ever been touched. And lock this. Because that's insane. I think 60 still interesting. Just because we haven't got it. Yeller. Text. 60. Current 12 below. Cool. That's kind of where we at. I do like this on the daily. I like how this is falling. I like this as the liquidity pool. That's kind of interesting. This is a little bit more interesting because this was like the last good fair value gap we had in forever. Right here. And we kind of used it. There's nothing else over here at all. Let's go 40. Um, yeah, that'll work. I'll watch this as an old level. I'm not impressed by this because we touched it too many times already. This is no, it's not. No, this is interesting here. Just a low. This is an expansion that took out these lows. So it's buy solid liquidities here. Mhm. Can lock that. Can lock that. Can lock that. Mhm. By the time we get to the 4 hour, we really don't need anything. We just got trapped order flow here, some buys. Um, yeah, we'll see this. Yeah, even on the hour, it's still about those same liquidity pools. Since we consolidating, it ain't nothing too interesting here besides above below price, 50%, low resistance to here, which is interesting. This here, but after we closed ECSD, we closed above. It's kind of acted as the point of no return. This one is the low, but this is a cool low. We can go higher. Retracement ideas and fib. All the cool stuff is right here. 50 to 79. Let's try this super light green color or something. Super light green color. Retracement. Come up here, we can still go up. That's just OTE retracement. Selling to OTE is still nice. Kind of got the same thing going here. We will have to react here. Let me see. Where's this at as well? Yeah, it's way down here. OTE's down here. So here, it could retrace to this one. Let me take this off just because it's not clear as far as like, oh, this is sticking out. Hour, let's go here. Okay. I think that's cool. Alright, I knocked out the chart. So then tomorrow's just try some coffee. And I got most of the arrays already mapped. I gotta do the news and all that good stuff. Alright, y'all have a good day. Peace.